When we talk about nutrition and we talk about things that are really going to impact our health for the better, we can look at things that we tend to be deficient in. If a person's deficient in vitamin C, they have scurvy. They have a major disease. Their teeth start falling out. It's very bad. You give them vitamin C, it cures that. Now, there are things in the modern diet that we are deficient in that have nearly as large an impact on our health as something like vitamin C to a person with scurvy. One of those things is omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil, basically. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA specifically, are necessary for our body to function properly. They're incorporated into cell membranes. They're used as molecules that are actually signaling molecules to our cells that change inflammation in our body, rebalance inflammation in our body. There's a lot of things that these molecules do in our body, and the bottom line is we don't consume enough. We overconsume omega-6s. Omega-6s are also important fats. We need them, but we consume so much of them because of the nature of the food that we eat, because of the seed oils that we consume on a regular basis, because that's what we cook with. That's what our animals are fed. So when we're eating food, normal food, we're basically eating just omega-6s. Now, omega-3s, we need them. We should have about a 3-to-1 to a 5-to-1 ratio of omega-6s to omega-3s in terms of what our cell membranes are made up of and what we're consuming as well. But your average person across Europe and the US especially, you have about a 20-to-1 to a 25-to-1 ratio of omega-6s to omega-3s. We need them. They're necessary for joint health. They're necessary for cardiovascular health. They're necessary for our cells to function properly. They're necessary for cognitive health. Study after study after study shows that when it comes to mood, one of the best things that you can do is start increasing your omega-3 consumption because it affects brain health, because your cells in your brain are made up of 40% DHA. So structurally, in terms of signal molecules, your body needs omega-3s, and we're not getting enough from our diet. We need to be supplementing with a high-quality omega-3 supplement, and that's something that I really need to emphasize because most of the time, if I go to the grocery store or the warehouse store or online to the vitamin shop or whatever, I'm getting an omega-3 that's actually oxidized. It hasn't been manufactured in a good, safe, healthy way, and the oil itself has been exposed to the air. It oxidizes, it actually becomes pro-inflammatory instead of anti-inflammatory. It becomes unhealthy instead of healthy. So consume your omega-3s, but get them from a reputable source, get them from a company you can trust, get them from Synergy.